Welcome to Session 2 of the QGreenland tutorial series. Please download the free open source QGIS software, the QGreenland data package, and any free tutorial materials by QGreenland. In this series, we will be using QGIS LTR, the long-term release version of QGIS. The series is done on a MacBook, so please keep this in mind if you are using Windows or other devices, as my displays might be different from yours. Let's introduce you to QGIS and QGreenland. GIS stands for Geographic Information Systems. It's basically a program that allows you to view and analyze geospatial data. And geospatial data is simply data that has location associated with it. In QGIS, we refer to datasets as layers because you can turn them on and off and associate different datasets with each other. What makes layers really powerful in GIS is that these layers can have a lot of different attributes associated with them. So let's shift gears and think about QGreenland. The QGreenland base package, which you have downloaded, runs on both Mac and PC products. QGreenland is curated datasets which helps us explore and understand Greenland. In QGreenland, there are a lot of folders containing data layers, which have been organized by topic or layer groups. You can open up any of these folders, and they should have individual datasets or data layers relating to that topic. If you want to just scan a quick list of layers, you can open up this spreadsheet in a CSV file called layer_list. As we begin to dive deeper into QGreenland, I encourage you to open up the user guide included in the download package. Anything with a .qgis file extension is what we call a QGIS project file. If I were to double-click on this file, it would open up and automatically direct you to QGIS. If you are following along and want to access this project, make sure QGIS is open.